Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, mag-unboxing ulit tayo ng air fryer. So itong nabili namin is 25 liters multifunction air fryer oven. So it has 24 cooking functions, 25-liter capacity. It has temperature control. It has large windows, 1 up to 24 hours timer. Stainless steel design and has an internal light. So Germanica yung brand niya. It says here that the perfect multifunction air fryer for everyday cooking needs. So you can air fry, you can make fries, toast, roast the chicken, pizza, fish, ribs, slow cooking, eggs, vegetables, wings, so on and so forth. So you can also reheat, defrost, you can make bacon and pastries and a lot more. What's in the box? So it has one small wire rack for inside food tray, one air fry basket, one 12 inches pizza pan, one drip tray, one rotisserie kit, one food tray, and then one food tray handle and one wire rack. So itong air fryer has two heating element. So yung init niya taas at sa baba. So ito yung food tray niya. Then yung para sa pizza. Yung drip tray. So andito naman yung handle, air fry basket, and then yung isang wire rack. So ito yung laman niya.